Okay, let's unbox these. First off, there are some instructions here on these door side storage boxes. So it doesn't look like it's too difficult of an install, front and back of one piece of paper. And then we have both of the items here. So one side and the other side. These are nicely wrapped up. I will get these unwrapped and then we will get them installed into the truck. Okay, so I have one of these unwrapped. This would be the driver's side unit. You can see there's kind of like a nice padded piece here at the top. The door that opens and closes. I just thought I'd show you around on the other side, on the back side. Inside itself, there's this nice little rubber insert, I guess, and that fits neatly in there. You can see there are a couple of clips that will help hold it into the vehicle. Then the other thing about the door itself is it has a kind of push button. So I push that, you can maybe hear it click, and the little receptacle there, and then you push it back close, and it snaps closed again, and then push again to open, and it would pop open. So nice little mechanism there. So let's go get one of these installed into the truck itself. All right, so here we are at the truck. Notice that there's this kind of little channel here on the bottom. That is supposed to fit right up against this edge. So the instructions basically say that you line that up. So you line that up like so, and then we're going to push that in like so, and then it will snap into place. Huh. Well, what do you know? That was really very easy. One of the easiest installations I've done. So there we go. There's the little box. Whoops. I press it. Pops open. Nice. And then back closed again. So there you go. There's the installation. It's secure. I'm pulling on it. It's not going anywhere. I'm sure I could probably reach inside and flex those tabs up and then pull this thing back out if I decided at some point I wanted to remove it. But there you go. Easy peasy.